Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and most demanding ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. Low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. Very attractive and trendy eye-catching haircut. Beautiful attractive ideas of hair dye. And so stylish ideas of hairstyling. And many much more. Beautiful and latest collection. Trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls. For women, for mature women, you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle and very beautiful ideas of too short wave and curls on hair. Curly hairstyle. Different ideas of messy hairstyle. So beautiful collection of smile, undercut, and some stylish ideas of messy hairstyle with undercut and fine hairstyle with undercut. And so beautiful collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and many much more ideas. Of different ideas of haircut and undercut. I'm catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas funky, and attractive ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky color, with different ideas of base color and so beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women. You've seen this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. So thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.